While making money in cryptocurrency involves risks and there are no guaranteed profits, here are some ways you can potentially start earning money in the cryptocurrency space. Trading. Day trading. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies within short time frames to take advantage of price fluctuations. Swing trading. Hold onto assets for a few days or weeks to capture price swings in the market. Investing. Holding. HODL. Purchase cryptocurrencies and hold them for the long term, expecting their value to increase over time. Staking. Participate in proof of stake (POS) cryptocurrencies and earn rewards by holding and staking your coins in a wallet. Mining. Mining Bitcoin or altcoins. If you have the technical expertise and resources, you can mine cryptocurrencies by validating transactions and securing the network. Keep in mind that mining can be capital intensive. Freelancing and gig platforms. Offer services for crypto. Platforms like Bitwage and CryptoGrind allow freelancers to receive payments in cryptocurrency for their services. Crypto faucets and airdrops. Faucets. Participate in cryptocurrency faucets that distribute small amounts of crypto for free. Airdrops. Some projects distribute free tokens to holders or participants. Participate in ICOs or token sales. Initial coin offerings. ICOs invest in new projects by purchasing their tokens during their fundraising phase. Be cautious and research thoroughly, as ICOs can be high risk. Arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage. Take advantage of price differences between different exchanges by buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. Educational content. Create content. If you have expertise in cryptocurrency, you can create educational content on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or podcasts. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or donations. Peer-to-peer transactions. Local Bitcoins. Facilitate peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transactions in your local area for a fee. Developing blockchain and smart contracts. Blockchain development. If you have programming skills, you can offer your services to develop blockchain solutions for businesses or create decentralized applications, DApps. Remember to approach the cryptocurrency market with caution, as it can be highly volatile. Do thorough research and consider consulting with financial professionals before making any significant investment decisions. Additionally, stay informed about the regulatory environment in your jurisdiction, as cryptocurrency regulations can vary widely. Trading cryptocurrencies involves buying and selling digital assets with the aim of making a profit. Here are some key considerations and steps to keep in mind if you're interested in cryptocurrency trading. Educate yourself. Learn about different cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and the factors that influence their prices. Understand the basics of technical analysis, which involves analyzing price charts and patterns. Choose a reputable exchange. Select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell digital assets. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Create a trading plan. Establish clear goals and define your risk tolerance. Develop a strategy that includes entry and exit points, as well as risk management rules. Consider using tools like stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Start small. Begin with a small amount of capital that you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, and it's important to manage your risk. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all your funds into a single cryptocurrency. Diversification can help spread risk. Stay informed. Keep up with news and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Market sentiment can be influenced by regulatory changes, technological advancements, and macroeconomic factors. Use technical analysis. Utilize technical analysis tools and indicators to make informed trading decisions. Common indicators include moving averages, RSI, relative strength index, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence. Risk management. Set realistic profit targets and stop-loss levels to manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Emotional discipline. Trading can be emotional, and fear and greed can impact decision-making. Stick to your trading plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Keep records. Keep a detailed record of your trades, including entry and exit points, reasons for the trade, and outcomes. This can help you analyze your performance and identify areas for improvement. Security measures. Implement security measures for your accounts, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your funds. Continuous learning. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic, and staying informed is crucial. Continuously educate yourself about market trends, new technologies, and trading strategies. Remember, trading cryptocurrencies involves risks, and there are no guarantees of profit. It's essential to approach trading with caution, continually refine your skills, and be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions. If you're new to trading, consider practicing with a demo account before using real funds. Additionally, seek advice from experienced traders and consider professional guidance if needed. Mining is a process by which new coins are created, and transactions are verified and added to the blockchain in various cryptocurrency networks. However, it's important to note that the specifics of mining can vary significantly depending on the cryptocurrency. Here is a general overview of how mining works. Choose a cryptocurrency. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to mine. Popular choices include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others. Hardware selection. Different cryptocurrencies may require different types of hardware. For example, Bitcoin, SHA-256 algorithm typically mined using ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit, miners. Ethereum, Ethash algorithm initially, it was mined using GPUs, graphics processing units, but it has transitioned to a proof-of-stake, POS, consensus mechanism, where miners are not needed. Mining software. Choose and install mining software compatible with your hardware and the selected cryptocurrency. Common mining software includes CG Miner, BFG Miner, NiceHash, and others. Join a mining pool. Due to the increasing difficulty of mining and the competitiveness in the space, many miners join mining pools. Mining pools combine their computational power to increase the chances of successfully mining a block, and rewards are distributed among participants based on their contribution. Wallet setup. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet to receive your mining rewards. It's important to use a secure wallet that supports the specific cryptocurrency you are mining. Configuration and start mining. Configure your mining software with the necessary details, such as the mining pool's address and your wallet address. After configuration, start the mining process. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor your mining operations performance, including hash rate, power consumption, and potential issues. Optimize settings to maximize efficiency and profitability. Receive rewards. As your mining pool successfully mines blocks, you will receive a share of the rewards proportional to your contributed computational power. Rewards can include newly created coins and transaction fees. Consider the costs. Factor in the costs associated with mining, including electricity, hardware maintenance, and potential cooling solutions. Ensure that your mining operation remains profitable. It's crucial to stay updated on the specific mining requirements and potential changes in the consensus mechanism of the cryptocurrency you choose to mine, as the landscape can evolve over time. Additionally, consider the environmental impact of mining, especially in the case of proof-of-work cryptocurrencies, as energy consumption can be significant. Freelancing and gig platforms offer opportunities for individuals to provide their services and earn money in various fields. Some platforms also support payments in cryptocurrency. Here are a few platforms where you can offer your services and receive payments in cryptocurrency. Upwork. Upwork is a popular freelance platform that connects clients with freelancers in various fields such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. Some clients may offer payment in cryptocurrencies. CryptoGrind. CryptoGrind is a freelance marketplace specifically designed for cryptocurrency-related jobs. You can offer your services or find freelancers for tasks related to blockchain development, writing, design, marketing, and more. Bitwage. Bitwage allows freelancers to receive their salary or invoices in cryptocurrency. It acts as an intermediary, enabling users to receive payments in Bitcoin or other supported cryptocurrencies. Coinality. Coinality is a job board that lists various cryptocurrency and blockchain-related job opportunities. It covers freelance, part-time, and full-time positions. Eflence. Eflence is a decentralized job platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. It connects freelancers with